Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in Kotlin series we are going to learn the most useful concepts and most difficult also for programmer point of view. It's called collection. In Kotlin we have some different kind of approach using collections. In Java we have hash map and other types of collections. Same collections also available in Kotlin, but I'm talking about the new and the most usable type of concepts in Kotlin, which is new in Kotlin as compared to Java. So basically in Kotlin there are two types of collections, immutable and mutable. Immutable means the value which is only for read. You cannot modify later on. Once you have created the collection of immutable type, then you cannot change the data. Second one is mutable. Mutable means anytime you can read, write means you can add other informations also, and you can remove the existing data in a collection, and so on, means read and write operations. So in mutable type we have a basically three types of collection. First is list. List is just like a array, similar to array, but in array we have a fixed size, but and in listing also we have a fixed size because it's a read only. Later on we cannot add new item in listing. Second one is map. Map is a key value pair. Key value pair means by the help of key we can find out the value. We will read out just like a hash map in Java. So we have a map. It is also read only type. Later on we cannot modify data in map. And third one is set. Set means the unique value. If you enter some data in a set and you suppose you enter 9993 or 4 time, so it will display only one time. So set is a collection of data of unique type. Okay. So all these things are available only for read only. And one by one I will discuss the example of all these collections in my future video lectures. And this is mutable type. In mutable type we have mutable list of and mutable list, mutable map of and mutable map. All are same, means this list and this list are same, but it is read only, and this one is mutable list means it's read and write only. You can add more element later on whenever you required. You can remove the existing element also, or you can perform some lambda expressions operations on mutable list. Similarly, map and map of, mutable map of, these are same, but this is read only and this is read and write only. Similarly, the set and mutable set are same, but set is read only and mutable set is read and write only. In my future lecture, one by one I will discuss. In the first lecture I will discuss the list and mutable list. Then later on I will discuss map and mutable map. Then in last one I will discuss in mutable set and set. And finally I will also discuss the initialization of these collections by using lambda expressions. So see you in the next video in which I will explain the list and mutable list examples. Till then, bye.